Today, we're diving into a massive problem with a really smart solution. We're talking about how AI is being used to tackle South Africa's critical water crisis, one single leak at a time.
37%. Just let that number sink in for a second. It's huge. And what's truly shocking is that this represents the estimated amount of clean, treated water that South Africa loses before it even reaches a single tap. It just vanishes into the ground. Now, there's an official term for this, non-revenue water, or NRW, and it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's water that cities have spent a ton of money to clean and pump, but they get zero money back for it, because it's lost. This isn't just a little waste, it's a massive financial drain, and it's the exact problem that a new platform called Leak Alert is designed to solve. So, you have to ask, why is so much water being lost in the first place? Well, a lot of it comes down to aging infrastructure. We're talking pipes that have been in the ground for decades, and that's combined with these really old, inefficient ways of even reporting the leaks. The consequences of this are getting more and more serious every single year.
Okay, so this slide really shows the incredible contrast. The old way, it was slow, it was disconnected. Someone might call in a leak, but there was no good way to check if it was real, no central system to track it, and people were just left in the dark. Leak Alert comes in and completely flips that model on its head.
And this brings us right to the solution itself, Leak Alert. Think of it as a cloud-powered AI-driven platform that completely reinvents how water leaks are found, verified, and finally, fixed.
And what's so smart about this is that it's designed as a collaborative ecosystem. Of course, the city water services benefit, but so do the regular citizens reporting the leaks, so do environmental agencies, and even the contractors who get verified work orders. Everyone gets to play a part.
So the big question is, how does it actually work? Let's break down the process. It's this really elegant flow of information that connects a normal person on the street directly with the teams who can actually fix the problem.
It's a beautifully simple 5-step loop. You see a leak, you snap a photo, and you report it with the location. Then the AI kicks in. It analyzes that picture to make sure it's a genuine leak. Once it's verified, bam, an alert goes straight to the right municipal team. They manage the repair, and, this is the crucial part, you, the person who reported it, actually get updates. It completely closes the loop.
All right, now for the techie part, under the hood, this system is running on some pretty serious tech, almost all of it from Microsoft's Azure Cloud platform. The real star of the show is Azure Custom Vision. That's the AI doing the image analysis, but it's all supported by scalable hosting and secure databases, making sure the whole platform can handle reports from all over the country. Look, technology is great, but what really truly matters are the results. So let's look at the real-world impact of this thing. The numbers, they're honestly incredible.
Let's start with the most important metric of all, water saved. It's estimated that Leak Alert helps save over 20 million liters of water every single year. I mean, to put that in perspective, that is enough water to fill 8 Olympic-sized swimming pools. It's a staggering amount of a precious resource that's being preserved.
And the impact isn't just environmental, it's economic too. The platform has helped create over 100 new jobs, everything from software developers to plumbers, and that helps stimulate local economies and build up a workforce to manage this critical resource. And this is where that AI really proves its worth. By automatically verifying every submission, the system has cut down on false reports by 60%. That means repair crews are spending way less time chasing dead ends and more time fixing actual verified leaks. It's just so much more efficient.
So when you put it all together, like in this table, you see this powerful story. We're talking millions of liters of water saved, real jobs being created, and a smarter, more efficient system that's helping over 10 municipalities in just its first year of operation. It's amazing.
But this project is about so much more than just plugging holes in pipes. It's about building a sense of community ownership and civic pride. It makes whole cities more resilient against drought. And it promotes transparency, because now everyone can see the reports and track the response.
And believe it or not, this project is just getting started. The vision here is to take this from a really successful pilot program to a national standard for water management. And they have a really clear plan to get there. After the initial development and a successful pilot, the focus right now is on a national rollout. And the future? It's even more exciting, with plans for a dedicated mobile app and even integrating IoT sensors directly into the water pipes.
This quote from the project's documentation, it just says it all, doesn't it? Leak Alert isn't just a tech project or an environmental project, it's where all three of those crucial areas meet to create something truly transformative.
And that kind of leaves us with this fascinating final thought. This model has proven to be incredibly effective for water. So the question is, what other chronic city problems, from potholes to power outages, could we start to solve if we gave every single citizen a direct, AI-verified line to action? Just imagine that.